Welcome to VettedTrainers.com.
The hip bridge is a fundamental human movement and a phenomenal way to get the hamstrings and glutes strong. So pull your heels in as close to your butt as possible to start activating the hamstrings. Move your feet all the way together to start activating your adductors. And move your arms into a 45-degree angle. Puff your chest out. Take in a deep breath. Drive the heels. And push your hip bones into the sky while squeezing your butt. Every time you go up, squeeze and hold for 2 seconds slowly, and then lower slowly. A common mistake is, instead of lifting with the hamstrings and the glutes, people will lift with the lower back like this and put a lot of pressure in the lower back. We do not want this. Keep your belly button in and your rib cage tucked into your pelvis. Here is another view for you. So feet are all the way together, big toes and heels are together, and knees are all the way together. They're gonna try to open up as you go up. You want to keep them together and engage your adductors.
This video has been brought to you by VettedTrainers.com.